And joining us now to talk about the development that occurred today in this case is David Schwartz. He's a former Kings County prosecutor. Thank you so much for being with us today, Mr. Schwartz.
Thank you.
Police picked up Pedro Hernandez just weeks after digging a site in Soho. Is this a coincidence that this occurred?
Well, they're saying no. They dug in the site in Soho. However, while they were digging in Soho, there was more evidence that came out from other people. There were interviews made with other people. So none of the evidence that they dug out in Soho led to the arrest of Hernandez. Well, not the official arrest yet.
But if we look at the timing of this, one day before the actual date that little Etan disappeared, if this actually is the individual that really had something to do with this, how difficult is it to prosecute a case like this when you think that 33 years have gone by?
Well, right now, as we speak, this case is not prosecutable because all we have are the statements of Hernandez. All we have are the admissions of Hernandez. What the police and the investigators are doing right now is that they're searching for other evidence. They're trying to question this suspect to see if there's other evidence because they can never charge Hernandez based on his statements alone.
So is it possible, well, I guess we'll find out later today. The police are going to make a statement later today, but is it possible that anyone could make a statement that they had some information or can implicate themselves for whatever reason, correct? So police have to thoroughly vet this person.
Absolutely. We've seen it time and time again, where people come in, they make an admission of guilt, they make a confession to the police, and they're not the actual perpetrator of the crime. And under our law, you cannot prosecute someone based on the confession alone. You need some sort of other evidence in the case, and that's what the police are looking for right now.
Well, we certainly know that we're going to hear more on this story, particularly when Police Commissioner Ray Kelly has something a little later. In the meantime, David, thank you for being with us.
Thank you so much, Lori.
All right, and stay with Eyewitness.